Hello friends, I'm your maths faculty from QLS Academy. We'll be continuing our topic lines and angles in this session, and this will be the third session of this unit. So let's get started and happy studying. So friends, we start this session with topic parallel lines and a transversal. अब we know very well that parallel lines are lines in a plane which do not meet. That is, two lines in a plane that do not intersect or touch each other at any point are said to be parallel. By extension, a line and a plane or two planes in three-dimensional Euclidean space that do not share a point are said to be parallel. Now, what is this term transversal? What does it mean? So, a transversal is a line that cuts across two or more usually parallel lines. Now, imagine a set of two parallel lines PQ and RS. Next, imagine a line AB as a transversal. It cuts across the parallel lines PQ and RS. Now, if it crosses the parallel lines at right angles, it is called a perpendicular transversal. So, simply we are going to study about एक ऐसी line जो दो parallel और non-parallel lines को cut करती है और इसी line को हम कहते हैं transversal. अब हम समझ चुके हैं topic का meaning, तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now, since we know from the previous session that when two lines intersect, then four angles are formed at the point of intersection. So, here also at the 2 points of intersection on the two lines, four angles are formed. अब जो बाहर की तरफ बनने वाले एंगल्स होते हैं उन्हें हम कहते हैं एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स. क्या कहते हैं? एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स. एंड अंदर की तरफ बनने वाले एंगल्स को बोलते हैं इंटीरियर एंगल्स. इसका मतलब अगर L एक लाइन है एंड इट इज़ अ ट्रांसवर्सल टू P एंड Q एंड P पर वो इंटरसेक्ट करती है एट पॉइंट P डैश एंड Q पर इंटरसेक्ट करती है एट Q डैश. अब P डैश के अराउंड एंगल्स है 1, 2, 3 एंड 4 एंड Q डैश के अराउंड 5, 6, 7 एंड 8 इन क्लॉकवाइज मैनर. अब 1 एंड 2 एंड 7 एंड 8 आर एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स एंड 3 एंड 4 एंड 5 एंड 6 are interior angles. Now which ones are the pairs of corresponding angles among these 8 angles? I guess some of you won't be able to recall the terms, so for them, when two lines are crossed by another line called the transversal, the angles in matching corners are called corresponding angles. इसका मतलब अगर चार angles अलग अलग intersection points पर हैं, then दोनों points पर top right position पर situated angles corresponding angles होंगे, bottom right angles, bottom left and top left. And in our example, 1 and 5 are a pair of corresponding angles. Also 2 and 6, 3 and 7, 4 and 8 are pairs of corresponding angles. अब alternate interior angles कौन से होंगे? So alternate interior angles होंगे 3 and 5 and 4 and 6. Now when two lines are crossed by another line called the transversal, the pairs of angles on opposite sides of the transversal but inside the two lines or in the inner side of the parallel lines, or we can say in the space between the parallel lines, are called alternate interior angles. Similarly, alternate exterior angles. When two lines are crossed by another line called the transversal, the pairs of angles on opposite sides of the transversal but outside the two lines, that is दोनों lines के outer sides पर, are called alternate exterior angles. तो यहाँ alternate exterior angles कौन कौन से होंगे? 1 and 7 and 2 and 8. And pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal are angles 3 and 6 and another pair is 4 and 5. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal are also called consecutive interior angles or allied or co-interior angles. Now we will see relations between these pairs of angles. In the case when both the lines through which the transversal crossed are parallel to each other. These relations were given with the help of some axioms. The first axiom says that if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles is equal. I repeat, if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles is equal. इस axiom को बोला जाता है corresponding angle axiom. एंड करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स वही हैं जो सेम पोजिशन पर होंगे दोनों पॉइंट्स पर. ऑल्सो द कन्वर्स ऑफ दिस एक्सियम दैट इफ ईच पेयर ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स इज इक्वल, देन द टू लाइन्स आर पैरेलल इज इक्वली ट्रू. एंड यही हमारा अगला एक्सियम बनता है विच सेज दैट इफ अ ट्रांसवर्सल इंटरसेक्ट्स टू लाइन्स such that a pair of corresponding angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel to each other. Now we come to a very important theorem which states that if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angles is equal. अब since हमें पता है from the corresponding angle axiom that angles 1 and 5 are equal, now we have also learnt about the vertically opposite angles being equal. So from this we can say that angles 1 and 3 are also equal. Now that angle 1 is equal to 5 and angle 1 is equal to 3, then it implies that angle 5 is equal to 3, that is the alternate interior angles. Also we can say that if a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel. यानी अगर एक लाइन दूसरी दो लाइन्स को इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है एंड अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स दैट इज ट्रांसवर्सल के अलग अलग साइड्स वाले एंगल्स दोनों इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट्स पर ये दोनों इक्वल हैं, तो वो दोनों लाइन्स जिन्हें इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है थर्ड लाइन दे आर पैरेलल. एंड सिमिलरली देर आर टू मोर थ्योरम्स, वन ऑफ विच सेज दैट इफ अ ट्रांसवर्सल इंटरसेक्ट्स टू पैरेलल लाइन्स then each pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal is supplementary. और इस थ्योरम का मतलब है दैट अगर एक ट्रांसवर्सल इंटरसेक्ट करता है दो पैरेलल लाइंस को, देन ट्रांसवर्सल के सेम साइड वाले इंटीरियर एंगल्स का सम होगा इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. द नेक्स्ट थ्योरम सेज दैट इफ अ ट्रांसवर्सल इंटरसेक्ट्स अ सेट ऑफ लाइंस such that a pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary, then the two lines are parallel. You must have understood that one is the converse of the previous one. Now I think we can see some good problems related to these statements we just learned. In the given figure, DE is parallel to QR and AP and BP are bisectors of angle EAB and angle RBA respectively. So find angle APB. So guys, question कहता है that DE and QR दो पैरेलल लाइन्स हैं एंड उनके थ्रू कोई ट्रांसवर्सल पास हो रहा है जो उन्हें A and B पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है. So let's find out the solution of this problem. We know that the interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. Therefore, angle EAB plus angle RBA is equal to 180 degree, which implies that half of angle EAB is equal to half of angle RBA, which is equal to 180 by 2. We divide both sides by 2, which gives us half of angle EAB plus half of angle RBA, that is equal to 90 degree. Let this be equation 1. Since AP and BP are the bisectors of angle EAB and angle RBA respectively, therefore angle BAP is equal to half of angle EAB. Make this equation 2 and angle ABP equal to half of angle RBA. This is equation 3. On adding equations 2 and 3, we get angle BAP plus angle ABP equal to half of angle EAB plus half of angle RBA. Now using equation 1, we get angle BAP plus angle ABP equal to 90 degree. Let this be equation 4. In the triangle APB, angle BAP plus angle ABP plus angle APB is equal to 180 degree, since sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree, which gives us 90 degree plus angle APB equal to 180 degree from equation 4, which gives us angle APB equal to 180 minus 90, that is 90 degree, and hence angle APB is equal to 90 degree. So this was all for this session. So I hope you had fun learning. For any queries or information, you may visit the link following the video. Thank you.